Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys just a quick little pour that I created. I've been doing a little bit of testing with some of the silicones that I have at hand, and I wanted to try out one of the new products that I've received, which is the coconut milk. So I wanted to share with you guys more or less how the whole process went. In reference to the paints, I mixed the paint 1 to about 1.5 with the Decoart pouring medium. The only paints that didn't have pouring silicone in it was the white. I do display across the screen the names and how. I hope that you guys enjoy. I'll let the music play for the rest of this. Make sure that you tune in to Thursday, where we're doing hashtag acrylic pouring fun, where we're going to be doing a new technique for that video, and I hope that you guys will tune into that. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.